Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and the topic of this video is the insurance basics, and it's a comprehensive guide for the beginners. So an introduction, this is my YouTube channel that here I discuss very much about insurance and other activities. So in this video I will talk to you about comprehensive guide that is designed to make insurance accessible and easy to grasp for beginners. So in section 1 we would discuss what is insurance. We will start by explaining the core concept of insurance and its heart. Insurance, it is a risk management tool that provides financial protection against unexpected events. Explore the principle of pooling in risk sharing, illustrating how insurance companies spread risk among the policyholder and provide coverage. And in section number 2, types of insurance, we will dive into the different type of insurance that exists in the market, including health, auto, home, life, and more types of the insurance. Each type of the insurance services a specific purpose, and we will outline their key feature and benefits, understand how insurance policies are tolerated to meet the unique need of individual families and businesses. Understanding insurance terminology, here we will get familiar with the essential insurance terms such as premiums, deductibles, limits, exclusions, and riders. We will break down each term and its significance and an insurance policy, learn how these terms play a crucial role in determining the cost of insurance and the level of coverage you receives. Selecting the right coverage when choosing insurance is essential to identify your specific need and risk. We will provide practical tips to evaluating your coverage requirement based on your life stage and financial circumstances. After that, I have some tips for you for managing your insurance cost. Insurance is an investment in your financial security, but it's also essential to manage cost effectively. We will share strategies to lower premium without compromising on coverage. So the conclusion here is that this is the comprehensive guide to understanding the insurance, and I hope you guys get some knowledge from this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos about insurance. I will upload more videos about it, so keep sure that you have to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.